Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to record screen on MSI Stealth. In order to record the screen, you need to click on the print screen button, which is next to your power key. And now select screen recording, then select the portion of the screen that you want to record. You can select the whole one, or I'm gonna select it without the taskbar. You can enable or disable the microphone. I'm gonna enable it, and enable or disable recording system audio. Now I'm gonna click on start, access microphone, and it'll start counting down from 3. Now it has started recording. I can do anything on my screen. And you can see it all works, it all records. I can pause it to resume it later, or stop it to finish it. And now it'll open this window where it will show me the recording. So I think I was too far from the microphone, but this is how it looks, and it's automatically saved to File Explorer, Videos, Screen Recordings. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.